Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Roblox background on a PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is come and open up Roblox.com, and just a heads up, you do need to be using Google Chrome for this to work. So I mainly use the Google Chrome browser, and this will work but only on the Google Chrome browser. So what I mean is when you log into your account, your Roblox account, you can see at the moment this background here. This is what I mean, this kind of white grey background is kind of boring. So what you can do is actually change this up, and to do this what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab and come to google.com, and then you just want to type in the Google search down here, Chrome Web Store, and then from here just come across to the Chrome Web Store, which will be the first result. What we're going to do is actually install an extension called Stylish. So what you want to do is come to the search bar at the top of the page, just up here in the top left hand corner, and then you want to type Stylish in, and what you're going to want to do is click the first one here. So it looks like this, and it should say Stylish custom themes for any website, and it's this icon here, one at the very top. So just go ahead and give that a click, and then what you want to do is click the blue Add to Chrome button, and then go ahead and click Add Extension. So it's just going to take a second or two to check through that and add it. So that's all done now, that's ready to go, and what we're going to do is just go and click our extensions button, which is this little puzzle piece up here in the top right hand corner. And then what we want to do is come down and click onto Stylish. And then what we're going to do is just click agree to the terms, and that's going to take you across to the extension. From here, what we're going to do is at the box at the very top, the search box, you want to go ahead and type Roblox, and this drop down box next to it, you want to make sure that's set to website, and then just hit the search button. So you can see there's actually quite a few different themes that you've got available, and for this example I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one here. So all you need to do is click onto the background that you want, and then what you want to do is click the blue install style button down here, and you'll see that's going to come up with a tick saying style installed. And then what you need to do is simply go back to your Roblox, and you'll see that my background has now changed. So if you want to turn this off, then all you need to do is click the extensions button again, and then click the three dots here next to Stylish. Then you just want to click this one where it says turn all styles off, and that's going to revert back to the white background. Again, if you've installed it and you've done all the steps but it's still showing as white, then what you want to do is click the extensions button, click the three dots next to Stylish, and then come down and click make sure this one where it says turn all styles off is unticked, and you'll see that's going to turn it back on. So that's how you do it, and I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.